Thanks for tuning in to How It's Fixed. I hope you guys are doing fantastic in whatever part of the world you are. Moving on to another bumper takeout. In today's video, we will show you guys how to open the front bumper of 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. The first step always involves taking out the clips underneath the bumper. It's very rare if you ever come across bolts. Usually there are only clips underneath. Now, every car is different, but this car only had one screw on both sides, and that's what we are opening. I'm just showing you guys one side because the other side is also the same. After taking out clips underneath the bumper and taking out screws from both right and left side, we then open the top part of the bumper. Now we slightly pull bumper from the sides. Also, don't forget to take out the plugs for the fog lights. Some cars don't have fog lights, so you don't have to worry about this part, under some cases. As you can see, the bumper is taken apart. It's just the broken side was stuck, so I gave a little hand and we ended up taking out the bumper completely. Hope you learned something new today. If you see your friends running towards you and asking, can you do that? You can pretty much say, yeah. If you liked the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to How It's Fixed. Until next time, goodbye.